So guys, here you see it, we have one more solving video has been came on the Rayyan channel, and in today's video we are solving two questions. First question name is 584 by the name of find customer referee, and the second question name is 585 question, and the question name is investments in 2016. So yes, we are solving these two questions in today's video, and these both questions are on the SQL statement. What we want to do in these both uh, questions, we want to write our MySQL query statement below, okay, in both questions but in differently. Okay, so now let's move to computer screen and let's read these both questions, 585 and 585 and 584. So now let's start to solve a 584 question and 585 question. Okay, and now from now we are solving two questions in one video. Okay, now and our only one video will become also, means now our two in today's video we are solving two questions, so tomorrow we will be also solve two questions in one video, but my video will only become in morning, not night. Okay, one video only will become. Okay, so but anyways, let's start to solve 584 question and 585. So let's move to the computer screen. Let's do a coding with laughing. Yeah. So now let's start to solve 584 question and 585 question. Okay. Now 584 question is on about find a customer referee, and 585 question is on about investments in 2016. So first of all, we understand our 584 question, and then we will be understand 585 question. Then we will be solve first of all 584 question in code. Then we solve our 585 question in code. Okay, first of all we understand it, both of them. Okay, now let's start. Pandas scheme. Now what we're gonna do now, and we are using SQL, sorry, MySQL we are using in today's solving video. Okay, in both questions we are using MySQL, because here it is a all this is the question is on about SQL, not on in the Python or these type of languages. Like here you can see it has been given me a MySQL, MS SQL Server, Oracle, Pandas, or Poster SQL. It give me only some of the languages, so I choose MySQL because it is I will prefer you to solve in MySQL because it is a very easy and very helpful for you. Okay, so now first of all understand the question. It has been given me a table of a customer in which there is one column of a name, in which there is ID, name, referee ID, and there is one type by int, varchar, int. Okay, in SQL, ID is one primary key column for this table. Each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name, and the ID of a customer who referred them. Okay. Now we want to find the names of the customer that are not referred by customer with ID equals to 2. We want to find the names of it, and then we want to return the result table in any order. Okay, please highlight these some of the things which I am highlighting it. Highlighted this any order, highlighted this not referred by. Okay. Now when you're going to do this, come up, now come down. The result format is in the following example. It has been given me an example 1 in which the input is customer table, ID, name, referee ID. First will null, second is Jane in which he written down null. Third, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the ID, and this Will, Jane, Alex, Bill, Zach, Mark, these are the names, and these are the referee ID like null, null, 2, null, 1, 2. Okay. Now and the output I'm coming plus minus 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 plus name, then Will, Jane, Bill, Zach, like this type of. Okay, so I hope you understand 584 question by the name of find customer referee. If you do not understand, so let me explain you one more time. It I mean give you some pandas scheme, so you can see it. Okay, this is the pandas scheme. Here you can see it, in which there is a data in which he written down 1 Will none, second Will second Jane will be none, third Alex will be 2, 4 Bills will be none, and then 5 Zach, then 6 Marks will be 2, and it has been give you the one customer. This is the one pandas scheme which it has been showing you. It has been also give you one SQL scheme also, this one SQL scheme. Okay, here you can see it. It is help for help you. Okay, and it's the easy one question. Okay, so we will solve it fastly. Okay, but anyways, I hope you understand this question by the name of 584, by the name of find a customer referee. So now we will be go to our 585 question, then we'll be understand our 585 question. Then when we understand both of them, then we'll be solve first of all 584 question in our LeetCode website. Then we solve 585 question in the LeetCode website. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you do not understand, so please reverse the video and see the video one more time, then you will be understand, I hope. Okay, now, and I have told you highlighted these two things which are important. Okay, like result, return the result table in any order. We want to return the result table in any order. Okay, and then data not referred by the customer with id equals to, we want to find the names of a customer that are not referred by the customer id with id equals to 2. These are the some things which people ignore it. Please highlight these things which I have told you that. Okay, now let's come on our next question by the name of 585 question by the name of investments in 2016. Now in this question it has been also be give you a two scheme. If I show you, let me click on the next question, so the 585 question will become, here you can see it. And I will give you a pandas scheme also, here you can see it, in which he wrote in down data like 1, 10, 5, 10, 20, 2, 10, 20, 20, 20, like these type of, and it has been give you one insurance also, and it has been give you a SQL scheme also, here you can see. So you can see these SQL scheme. Okay, so now what we're gonna do now, press brave question and then minimize it. And now first of all, it has been here he created one table of insurance in which he created a paid TIF underscore 2016. These are the column name. Okay, and this int, float, 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 these are the type. Okay, and now it is a one primary key column with unique values for this table. Okay, each array or each row of this table contains information about one policy, where PID is policy holders policy ID, TIF underscore 2015 is a total investment value in 2015, and TIV underscore 2016 in total investment value in 2016 LAT. It's one latitude of the policy holder city. It's guaranteed that LAT is not null. LON is longitude of policy holder city. It's guaranteed that LON is not null. Okay, what we're gonna do? We want to write a solution to report the sum of all the total investments values in 2016 TIV underscore 2016 for all policy orders who now it having give you a 2 points. First, have the same TIV underscore 2015 value has one or more other policy holders, and number 2, are not located in the same city as any other policy holder. For example, the LAT, LON attribute pairs must be unique. Round TIV underscore 2016 to 2 decimal places. Please highlight this 2 decimal places. Now, the result format is in the following example. It has been given you a first example in which he wrote down input insurance table, and in the PID here he wrote down 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have already told you what is the meaning of PID. In the TIV underscore 2015 I write 10, 20, 10, 10, and then in TIV underscore 2016 I write 5, 20, 30, 40. In the LAT I write 10, 20, 20, 40. In the LON I write 10, 20, 20, 40. Lat means latitude, long means longitude. And the output have been coming TIV underscore 2016 and 45.00. Why? Because the first record in the table, like the last record, means both of the two criteria. The TIV underscore 2015 value 10 is the same as the third and fourth records, and its location is unique. The second record does not meet any of two criteria. It's TIV underscore 2015. It's not like any other policy holders, and its location is the same as the third record, which makes the third record fail too. So the result is the sum of TIV underscore 2016 of the first and last record, which is 45. Okay, so I hope you understand why the output has been coming this. So I hope you understand this question also, in which of the 585 by the name of investment in 2016, and 584 by the name of 584 by the name of find a customer referee. So if you did not understand both of the question, please reverse the video and see the video one more time. And I, in the question number 2, I have also highlighted something, so please highlighted this. Please do not dismiss. Okay, please highlighted these things also. So now let's come out of Google Chrome. When we come out of Google Chrome, now there's an easy one question which we are solving, and there's it has been also be provided you a hint. So if you want to see the hint, so see it. Okay, and we are solving a 584 question first of all. Okay, then we solve our 585, and there's my 1,599,000 people has submitted it, sorry, accepted, and 2.2 billion has been only submitted. Now acceptance rate is 71.7%, so it must be easier. Okay, and the topic is on about database. Okay, and it has been given only one hint, so if you want to see it, so see it. If you do not want to see it, so do not see it. It is depend on you. Okay, and it's an easy one question. So now we are solving this question in the MySQL. Okay, and first of all, we will write a one MySQL query statement. We want to write your, it has been already written on your editor of LeetCode camp. In this comment, write your MySQL query statement. It is already written. Okay, but I am writing one more time. What we're gonna do, we want to write in a MySQL query statement below. Okay, so now what we're gonna do now, first of all, we define a select in which I write name, and then if you do not know what is a select in MySQL, so let me show you MySQL select. So then it will be told you what is select in MySQL. So then selectors are used to retrieve rows selected from one or more tables. Okay, so I hope you understand. Then from customer, perfect. Then we define here where not referee ID equals to or, here we define our or keyword. It is also used in the Python. If you see, referee ID is null, and nulls will be in capital. Okay, and if you want to make these all the thing in the comment, so make it in the comment. If you want to remove it, so remove it. Now let's see the running code. So we have solved this question. So when I run this code, so the running code has been let's see, it has been accepted. Here you can see it. Here it has been accepted. The output is this, and my also output coming same. The expected output is this, and my also output coming this. And one more thing I want to tell you, please big this C. Okay, so think so in the running code it does not give you an error, but must be give you the error in the submitting. So that's why recheck your all the code. Okay, now let's see all the codes correctly. Okay, it is accepted. Now let's just submission code now, and you will be also make a one note here. Okay, like these type of in the LeetCode camp. Now control enter is a one shortcut key to submit your code. Okay, but I am submitting it generally, and now I am submitting it from my mouse. So press my mouse, and then it is submitting, and when it has been submitted, so it has been accepted, and I beat 89.42% people. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I'm put a one screenshot, then I come on to the paint, and then I paste it, and then I will be crop it, and then when we do this all the thing, and then we'll become app. Perfect. Now copy it, remove, and now paste it, save, and then save it in your png anywhere you want to save. So I'm saving it in my music. Now it has been saved. So now what I am going to do, now I'm coming here and remove bg. Now I'm pasting this solution. Okay, you also know what is the meaning of this pasting. Where it is music is and generality. Here now it has been removed the background, so I click on the preview, then I will be click here. Now I'm pasting the solution, easy solution beats 80 how many beat I beat total 89.42%, and then I'm writing here fire emoji. Okay, for interactivity, fire emoji, and then there's a fire emoji, so I'm pasting it. Beats 8049. For more explanation, visit Rayyan. Now I am here inserting one image in from my music, from my downloads, then I paste it. Now picture has been came, now I am posted. So now my solution has been posted and there's the picture has been coming. You can see it on my solving. I do not paste my solution professionally. Okay, I will post it just like that. Okay, so I hope you understand how to solve this question. So let's come on to the next question. But anyways, if you do not see my profile yet and you are seeing this video, so please like, share and subscribe. So now let's come back and then press this next question. Now let's start to solve this question 585, which I have also told you. And now this is a medium one question which we are solving, and it has been given you a hint. Okay, and means like 2,13,000 people has been accepted and total 4,26,000 has been submitted. Okay, and acceptance rate is 50.1%, so it is 50-50. Okay, it is 50-50, easier or harder, 50-50. And this is also this topic is about database. Okay, and there are many topics are on the database. So you can see these all the topics are on the database. Okay, but anyways, and it has been give you one hint also. In the previous question it has been also give you one hint, and in this question there is also it has been give you a hint one. Okay, so we are solving this question in the MySQL because the MySQL is the best thing to solve this question, and this question is all about MySQL. If you see, it has been given on some of the languages like MySQL, MS SQL Server, Oracle, Pandas, and PostgreSQL. If you see, okay. Now let's try to solve this question. So now it has been given it here. We want to write your MySQL query statement below. Now what we're going to do here, we want to write write your MySQL query statement below. We want to write it. So first of all, I define select, and I have already told you that select. What is the meaning of select? Sum tiv 216 to as tiv 2016. Okay, and when we gonna do this, so now here we press enter, then we write from insurance, then we write here where tiv 2015, then I write in, then here we write rounded brackets, enter press, then we define select tiv 2015, then from insurance, and then we write here group by tiv 2015 having count multiply then greater than 1. Perfect. Now we write it about all the codes. Now here we write our now AND code, and LAT means latitude, and LON means longitude. I have already told you that. IN here we write, then rounded brackets, enter. Enter. Then when we do this all the thing, then we write select LAT means latitude, and LO means longitude. Then we define for, from, insurance, and then when we do this all the thing, then we write group by, and then LAT comma LON means latitude and longitude. Then we press enter, then having count, and then when we write it, then we write here multiply sign, then equals to 1. So we have written our all the code. So when we write it our all the code, so now here you can see it, and there's a medium with question which we have solved. So now let's see the running code. So now let's see. So we write it over all the codes now. So now let's see the running code. Now let's see. So when I run this code, so the running code has been accepted. So now it has been accepted. Now here you can see it. So now the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be correct, and I beat 87.83% people. So let me paste the solution. Now I'm writing here easy solution beats 88.47%. For more explanation, visit Rayyan. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, in which we solved over two questions. First question name is 584 and second is 585. So I hope you enjoy, and tell me this decision is good. I have uploaded two questions in one video. This decision is good or not, tell me in the comment section below. But my video only will become one in the morning, not in the night, okay, because we are solving two questions in one video. So that's why. So now I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So now for today, goodbye.